To use Surfshark VPN, follow these steps. Install Surfshark. Download and install the Surfshark app from the official website or your device's app store. Surfshark is available for Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, and browser extensions. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Surfshark account credentials. Connect to a server. After logging in, you will see a list of available server locations. You can choose a recommended server or browse by country or specific city. Select a server from the list and click Connect. Once connected, your IP address is masked and your online activity is secured. Enable additional features. Surfshark offers extra features like camouflage mode, multi-hop, and whitelister for customized browsing. You can enable these features from the settings menu within the app. Verify connection. To confirm that your IP address has changed, visit a website like whatismyip.com to check your location and IP. Start browsing securely. Enjoy private browsing, streaming, or accessing geo-restricted content with Surfshark's secure and encrypted VPN connection.